Human beings by nature are competitive. Allah Ta'ala has placed this jazba and zeal within us. We see someone else achieving something, we also want to achieve it. In fact, we want to supersede. We want to go ahead. This is something that is natural, provided it is directed in the correct direction. Quran in various places, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addresses the spirit of competition. In fact, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala encourages the spirit of competition. فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ وَفِي ذَلِكَ فَلْيَتَنَافَسِ الْمُتَنَافِسُونَ. Allah Ta'ala says, in this, in my Jannat, in achieving my Jannat, compete with one another. فَاسْتَبِقُوا الْخَيْرَاتِ. In goodness, in khair, outdo one another. The problem, my respected brothers, is when it comes to us, such is the magnetic pull, the jazibiyat of dunya, such is the effort of dunya that we are making, that we can't see the next person outdoing us in dunya. If he is making better salah than us, giving more time in the path of Allah than us, doing more neki, more sadaqah, more charity than us, we don't have a problem with that. Let his business prosper better than my business, then we have a problem. We have turned this competitive spirit upside down. Hasan Basri rahimahullah used to say, إِذَا رَأَيْتَ الرَّجُلِ يُنَافِسْكَ فِي الدُّنْيَا فَنَافِسْهُ فِي الْآخِرَةِ. He used to say, if your neighbor is competing with you all the time in dunya, he doesn't want to let you get ahead. You import a new line, he starts importing the same line. You introduce something new in the market, he wants to do the same thing. In dunya, he keeps competing with you. Hasan Basri rahimahullah says, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Nafisu fil akhirah. You outdo him in akhirat.